Hello. Wondering about life in our solar system? Scientists believe that only planet habitable in our solar system except Earth is Mars. And believe me when I say, we already have the technology needed to settle on Mars. Mars is the fourth planet in our solar system, and is the second smallest planet after Mercury. Apart from Mars, it is referred to as Red Planet too. It is believed that Mars had active volcanoes, oceans and even atmosphere, around 4.2 billion years ago. This year the Perseverance rover, the largest and most advanced rover by NASA, landed on the Red Planet, to find evidence of ancient life on Mars. The Perseverance rover is also equipped with oxygen generator named MOXIE. MOXIE can collect carbon dioxide from Mars and then convert it into oxygen. This oxygen generator machine was successfully tested on Mars, and the good news is that it works. Here's the fun fact about Mars. You would experience 62.5% less gravity than Earth, and would weight only 40% that of Earth, meaning if you weighed 100 pounds on Earth, you would weight only 38 pounds on Mars. Earth is approx 8 times bigger than Mars, and it would take more than 6 Mars to fill the volume of Earth. One Martian year is 687 days on Earth, making 1 year on Mars equal to twice as on Earth. Mars is 98% carbon dioxide, so if we want to terraform it, we would need lots and lots of trees inside pressurized domes. Another cool fact is that Mars may have cores similar to Earth. Talking about temperature, Mars can get as low as -153 degrees Celsius, and as high as 20 degrees Celsius in noon. Like Earth, Mars too has 4 seasons but twice as long on Earth. During summer, temperature on Mars can fall up to -40 degrees at night. Enough of the facts about Mars, now let's talk about history. Mars once was twin of Earth in terms of oceans, volcanoes, gases, atmosphere, and once was considered habitable. But due to lack of magnetic field, radiation from Sun dried out the planet, making it uninhabitable 4.2 billion years ago. Scientists even believe that Mars had a civilization at that time, because it had all the essentials to support life. It is also possible that the planet got hit by an asteroid, similar to the one that rubbed the dinosaur off the face of Earth. Mars is the most explored body in our solar system, and can support life if we can somehow terraform it. Lots of people are suggesting different ways to do so. Here are a few of them. The first one is nuking the planet, and this was proposed by Elon Musk. He wants to detonate nuclear devices on Mars's poles, vaporizing its frozen ice caps, releasing a colossal amount of carbon dioxide into the Martian atmosphere. This will cause a runaway greenhouse effect. As the temperature rises due to the greenhouse gases released by the explosion, the Martian rocks will heat up and out as more CO2, which heats the planet more, releasing more CO2 and so on. This would lead to a world that has a temperature similar to Earth, with a much thicker atmosphere and liquid water. The second one is placing a huge moon in Mars's orbit, which will create magnetic field around Mars. A strong magnetic field on Earth is something else that makes life easier. Earth's solid inner core, composed primarily of iron, creates this field when the planet spins, and it deflects cosmic rays and other harmful type of radiation. These ideas are still theories and somehow a science fiction at this point. Let's not go too far and apply our current technology to build a city on Mars, which we will talk about in part 2 of this video, which is around the corner, and in it we will discuss how SpaceX will get to Mars and build a self-sustaining city on it. Till then, subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you in the next video.